Hello guys, it is Noah from the UK Hand Dry blog, and today I'm going to be reading our disclaimer because some people prefer to see it in the video than reading it. Okay, so we'll start with the copyright. All content is See the UK Hand Dry blog, this website, unless stated otherwise, including all text and images. You may quote this website, but when doing so, you must make it clear you are quoting from it and include a link back to the page it came from. As we document pictures, we'll refer to brand names, which are registered trademarks. We do not claim to have any rights to the brand, and all rights remain with each business's owners. We strive to ensure information provided on this website is accurate, but no guarantee can be made. Information is provided as goodwill to those who are interested in the work this site does. The type of web page does mean that the UK Hand Dry blog does have to catch up with changes in details may occur. As we document placed over a large amount of land, changes may remain outdated for a time, and there is no guarantee they will be recognised immediately. As with any information source, this website should be used with care. We cannot accept any liability whatsoever for inconvenience, losses, legal issues or safety concerns which may arise as a result of information provided by this website to yourself or to others. You are responsible for ensuring you and any companions remain safe, legal and compliant with policy before taking any photo and video to be submitted to this website. It's also true that information provided in emails owned by this website or an official social media page or any publications made by this website, its owners or in this website's name. Any source of information that, other than those four listed, should not be assumed to be endorsed by others, even if the source claims otherwise. Links to third-party resources might be provided for the reader's benefit, but we cannot be held responsible for external third-party websites' content we have not created. Finally, if you have any queries, don't hesitate to contact us using the form at the bottom of the homepage. Right, now I'm moving on to use of submitted photos. Any photo on this website will have credits for who took it, except in two instances. The first, if it has no credit, has been provided or requested, in which this will be stated that there is no credit requested, and specimen will be written at least once on the photo in capital letters. The second is if one of the two owners have created it, in which credit might not be provided using the owner's name or channel name. If there is any queries about this, please contact us using the form at the bottom of the homepage. Now we're going to be moving on to use of our data. We do not allow any usage of text written on this site on the source web page in writing. This is because our website is unique and owners put effort into what we type. Next, we're on to user-generated content. The UK Hand Dry blog allows users to submit their contact details and submit photos through third-party sites. For safety purposes, we require everyone who wishes to register with the website to be aged 13 or over, or to just be supervised by somebody, whoever is using the contact form. This is only applying to the contact form purely for minor safety. We expect all images and information to be submitted in good faith, meaning any contribution shouldn't be infringing any laws, including copyright, should be trying to improve the website rather than degrade it, and shouldn't be trying to impersonate somebody you are not, or be providing contact information, email addresses that don't work. Where we suspect these rules are being deliberately broken, we reserve the right to remove any photo and prevent the user from submitting to the website again. In practice, this is rarely necessary. Somebody who contributes to the UK Hand Dry blog is regarded as a contributor who are simply volunteers acting in their own capacity. We do not tell people how to behave, and contributors must appreciate that the UK Hand Dry blog cannot take any responsibility for their actions or for consequences of contributions. For this reason, contributors must not imply that they are working under any contract to the UK Hand Dry blog, or their actions or opinions are endorsed by the UK Hand Dry blog or by its owners. Third party who have a concern with somebody who claims to be a contributor to take this up with the person directly in the first instance. UK Hand Dry blog may offer assistance as an intermediary body if it believes this would be beneficial. We require any contributor who works for a business who has their pictures on the website to follow any advice given by your employer, which likely includes not naming who you work for and not leaking confidential information in captions of pictures or any submitted items. If you want to disclose the information to us off a record, then you can always contact us using the form at the bottom of the homepage. Privacy policy. The UK Hand Dry blog will not ask you for personal information except to name if you wish to receive credit for pictures and or text, and if it does, it will handle that information fairly and reasonably and will not under any circumstances leak or share that information. Any communication made with us will be made through email or website chat forums accessible to approved members only. The UK Hand Dry blog is a website hosted in the United Kingdom aimed at readers in the UK and Ireland. This privacy policy also applies to any information we may collect from you via other platforms. However, it does not account for the data collection policies other third parties may have, which you should review separately when necessary. Similarly, we can only take responsibility for our website when you connect to it directly. If you choose to access it using another service like a proxy server, search engine server or an archive, then that service may attach its own conditions or behaviour which we cannot and will not take responsibility for. We do not carry any data outside of the European Economic Area, EEA. However, some of the partners named on this page may be based outside of the EEA. When this happens, we expect those partners to operate appropriate safeguards, keep data secure, as we will do ourselves, and we do ourselves. During this policy, we will repeatedly state information will not be passed on. This comes with a single exception for circumstances where we are required to disclose data by a court of law or law enforcement official. Registration. If you're choosing to register for forums or submit a question through our contact form only, you are asked to provide a contact number, email address. This allows us to identify your contributions and to contact you with any queries or urgent notices. Right. Thank you very much for that one, guys. That is just our privacy policy. It's really important you listen so that if you remember and you follow it, and if you have any questions, just make sure to read it on the website and then contact one of us. It's to keep us safe, it's to keep our website going, it's to keep all of our members safe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in a bit, guys.